Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha from a store-bought drink. First, select an unpasteurized, unflavored kombucha as your starter. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a rubber band. Next, prepare your sweet tea by dissolving about 1/2 cup of sugar in 4 cups of hot water, then steeping 2 to 3 tea bags. Once your sweet tea has cooled to room temperature, pour it into your clean glass jar. Then, add about 1 cup of the store-bought kombucha to the sweet tea. This starter liquid contains the necessary cultures. Cover the jar with your breathable cloth and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Place it in a quiet spot, away from direct sunlight, for 7 to 14 days. After the first fermentation, you'll notice a new SCOBY forming. Carefully remove it and set aside about 2 cups of the fermented liquid for your next batch. Now, it's time for the second fermentation, where you add flavor. Pour the remaining kombucha into airtight bottles, adding your chosen fruits, juices, or spices. Leave about 1 inch of headspace in each bottle. Seal your bottles tightly and let them sit at room temperature for another 2 to 5 days. This is when the carbonation builds, giving your kombucha that delightful fizz. You can burp the bottles daily by briefly opening them to release excess pressure. Once it's carbonated to your liking, move the bottles to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process. Enjoy your delicious homemade kombucha.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.